Careful, Max. It doesn't come back and poke you in the eye, buddy.
Okay, and now Max is doing the hedge trimming for us.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, what did you find there? Did you find an old bag?
Well, it says it's a hole.
Oh, well, yeah. Max, what you got there? What you got there, Max?
No.
Oh, that's part of the...
That's an old Christmas tree. Max,
that's
no.
That's the trim from the deck.
Max, don't let him eat that, Mitch.
Do you want to eat that, Max? You want to eat that?
No.
You want to eat that? What you got there? What you got there?
Give it to Mama.
What you got there, Max?
Come here, Max.
Max, what you got there?
He's got wire and everything in that. Get that off him.
there? Max,
It's not that funny. If he, I'm going to tell you, whatever costs for him to get fixed at the bed, you're going to fix them.
That's some pretty green eyes.
Yeah. They're fucking demon eyes right now. I'm rated R.
Jeez, I guess, eh?
When it comes to my fur baby.
That went from PG to like
my fur
18
big
plus.
Baby.
What do you think, Max? Go for 18 plus?
What did you do? Did you just break wind? I just heard you.
What you doing? Did you find that?
Go get the bushes. You keep my legs warm, thank you.
Are we gonna go take care of that? Okay.
He's got it in his mouth. You're gonna go get it off him. Because he's gonna eat it.
Yes, dear.
And it's got wire.
Yes, it does.
Max? Give that to Daddy.
He's 150 pounds of determination.
125.
125. But still.
Grandpa is wrong. You got slippers on. That's that one.
Look. And he puts it between his paws and rips it apart. Look. I'm trying to step on his lead so that he can't do it.
It's just slipping his toe.
Come on, give that up, give it up. No, give it up, give it up. Oh. Ha ha, I'm out of your lead.